Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start immediately. Unlock your Vivo V27 and make sure battery is above 10% so settings changes aren't interrupted. Open the Settings app from the home screen or app drawer. Don't pause to update apps first. Once inside Settings, locate Display or Display and Brightness. That's where night-related controls live. While you're there, set screen timeout to 30 seconds or 1 minute to quickly verify changes. Now move to the display options to find night mode controls. You should now be in display settings. Tap night mode, eye protection, or blue light depending on your V27 UI naming. Once selected, look for an auto or schedule toggle. This is what toggles automatic night adjustments based on time or ambient light. If auto is linked to a schedule, open schedule to see start and end times. If it's linked to ambient light, check the ambient light permissions or sensor settings. Make the change here so you control when night mode activates. Turn the auto toggle off or remove any schedule so night mode won't enable by itself. Then explicitly set night mode to off to lock that state. Once done, back out to the home screen and adjust brightness or restart the phone to ensure auto activation stopped. If night mode returns, check for third-party apps or system themes controlling it. Troubleshooting tip: if it won't stay off, clear settings cache or boot to safe mode to find the app that re-enables night mode.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.